Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, fog lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.